You need 2 tomatoes,
2 tomatoes,
1 onion,
1 onion,
2 cloves of garlic,
2 cloves of garlic,
1 hot pepper,
1 hot pepper,
some bell peppers,
you can't see this, and bell peppers,
scallion,
scallions,
some cilantro,
cilantro,
and a piece of dill.
and a piece
of dill.
of dill. We're going to wash the saltfish and boil it down
For 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
for 5 minutes. Okay. Washed and drained. Going to boil it.
You put the saltfish in the pot of hot boiling water to take out the excess salt. After boiling for 5 minutes, we're going to drain the water off. Good. Here.
We're gonna break it up with a fork.
You can also use your hand to break it up here.
It's like really a lot harder than it looks with the fork.
You know, some people like it chunky, some people like it fine.
I like it chunky.
Okay, well, then do it chunky. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now we're going to add
Onion,
onions, tomatoes, garlic, bell peppers. This is the hot pepper.
the green onions,
Cilantro.
cilantro. It looks good.
We're going to make the dumpling. Add 3 cups of flour.
3 cups of flour,
That's 2.
2,
1,
and 1 cup.
3.
So this is 3.
1 cup of corn flour.
1 cup of corn flour,
Yeah. Okay.
tablespoon of butter.
Cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. 6 cups of water in the pot to boil.
Yes.
So the flour we need to make the dumpling, we're going to roll it and throw it in the pot.
Okay. Boiling it for 10 minutes.
And a spoon of butter. Teaspoon of butter.
Smells really good. It's
Done.
done. try it. It's good, it's hot. Because it just came off the stove.